Welcome to the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra AT4 1500. The Sierra 1500 is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, drivability dial, push-button 4x4 and automatic headlights with fog lights. The vehicle does have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, column shifter, push-button ignition, nice large touchscreen, Apple Carplay and Android Auto both in there. Dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated front seating. We do have the integrated trailer braking system, dual USB ports, all black interior here, dual glove boxes as well, and our heated and ventilated Sierra AT4 seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the truck, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package, the Bridgestone Dueler AT tires, nice aggressive tread, beautiful alloy wheel machined face. Coming down the side, we have color matched door handles, AT4 badging on the front door, 6.2-liter plaque on the front fender. The AT4 does come with the factory 2-inch lift kit up front, giving you that larger stance for bigger wheels and tires. Extra ground room, ground clearance. You do have the red tow hooks, color matched grille and bumper, fog lights, LED daytime running lamps and turn signals. Coming back down the side, rear tinted privacy windows, keyless entry all around, remote start equipped. At the back of the truck, dual chrome exhaust tips, rear parking, dual chrome exhaust tips, your trailer tow package, step ups in the rear bumper, LED brake lights, and your GM MultiPro tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, second row, a leather 60/40 split. Both end seats here have in-seat storage feature, as well as a solid rear window and defrost. Extra headroom carved out over top with LED lighting, dual USB ports in the back of the center console, and rubberized floor liners with carpeted inserts installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra. For any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.